Hi friends, this is Gopinath from Tech College doing my final year project in BSNL. Our project name is SMS based televoting system. My partner name is Varun Parandaman. He is one of my classmates. Our project abstract is the project SMS based voting system aims at making the voting process easy in a corporate society. Presently voting is performed using ballot paper and the counting is done manually. Hence it consumes a lot of time. There can be many possible of invalid votes. All this make election a tedious task. Existing system is they must wait for a long time in a queue. Wrong and unwanted votes are given. Counting of vote is done manually, which takes lots of times, and inaccurate counting is done. It is very difficult to maintain historical data. And then drawbacks of the existing system is it is difficult to maintain important information in books. More manual hours are needed for counting of votes. It is tedious to manage historical data. Voters has to wait in a long queue for voting. They have to travel a long distance. Proposed system, which is our system going to be made. The SMS based televoting system is a software application which avoids more manual hours and need to spend in record keeping and calculating votes. Though the users and the candidates are registered online. Every user are allowed to vote only once so that there is no chance of duplicate votes. It is very easy to manage the historical data in database. This application keeps the data in a centralized way, which is available to all the user simultaneously. This is the architecture of our project. From the computer, we are going to a browser. In browser, we are registering. From the registered browser, it connects with the GSM modem from where the messages are sent and received by the mobile phone, and the SMS received are counted and stored in the database, which is separated by other processes. Like using constraint, it is separated. This is all the software specification. Intel Pentium 4 is just enough, and 256 RAM and 512 cache memory and hard disk of 10 GB. Microsoft compatible 101 more keyboard. Then GSM modem is the main and the must. The software requirements are Windows XP, .NET, then SQL Server for backend, and web server is IIS. Literature survey. These are the books which we took and we used to read for our project done. These are the modules. Candidate and the voter are the two modules in our project. The candidate module consists of submodules such as user, update user details, unregistered user, view vote details, view vote result. And the voter module consists of register, vote, and view results. And this is the output screen. This is the home page of our project, and this is about the service which is provided by the BSNL. The name and the company name, the phone number, password, retype password, company address, the voting date, on which day they need to conduct the voting, and the voting time, from what time to what time, and the voter code, which is will be in the format of message that SMS space that voter code and the options maybe A or B, and then payment details and then submit. After registering successfully, it shows register successfully page like this. Then again we can log in using this, and you can edit the dates and all, date time if you need, and we can view the result after the elections like this. Thank you.